Jeannie Slime Factory! Hey, hey, hey! Hey everybody, welcome to my channel! So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be making slime for my review slime packages. So if you don't know, I have an Etsy called Jeannie's Slime Factory. And I sell slime on it. So I have this review package with 5 2-ounce slimes in it. And it's only $5. What? Such a good deal. So I'm going to be making more slime for it because I already got 5 orders. Well, I got 5 orders within like 2 or 3 days. So that is pretty good. So I'm going to be making more because as you can see, guys, I'm starting to run out of slime. See in my background? Yikes. So we need to get back in stock. So let's get started. And guess what, guys? I'm trying a new glue. So this one is like Darius or something? Darius or something. I do not know that brand, but it's that brand. And then it's clear glue. So it's cool and it's washable. So I've never tried this glue before, so I'm super excited. And if you're wondering, this is my water and borax. I have some sequins, and then this is a golden spoon. And you'll need color or whatever you want to add in. I have a lot of mix-ins, like a lot of mix-in things. So I'm super excited, and let's get started. So how was your guys' Halloween? And what are you being for Halloween? I am being M&M girl. And M&M, you know, the candy, she's really cute. We will do a video. Okay, so first thing, there's a seal on this. They don't cheat you in this gallon. It's a full gallon. It's all the way to the top. Wow. Doesn't smell bad, but okay. Whoa, this is super clear. Whoa. Whoa, look how clear that is. There's spawn beads, of course. Look how clear it's like. Here, let me go to the other side. You can see right through it. So I love this glue already. So let's just break this open a little more. That's great. Come on. There we go. Now I'm going to add some water. And I did add some water in this. It's water to... And if you're wondering, I used to use this for my slime glue and it worked great. So we'll see how this slime glue works. It is school glue, that one, but this is actually made for slime. This one is totally clear. That one, this one's not. There it goes. It's okay. And of course the lid wasn't on it, but it's okay. So, have you ever made slime with this glue? Tell me down below. And tell me how it works for you. I really hope this activates. And I'm gonna maybe make like a Halloween one, so maybe I'll add some, is this dried out paint? No, it's not. I think I'm gonna make a pumpkin pie one, so. And yes, it did kind of turn it more like matte and not like see-through. But when you stretch it, you'll be able to tell. I was thinking I was going to do something else, but I just decided to do this. So I have my borax water solution. Let's see how if it activates. Yes, it's activating. Okay, so far this is a success. So I do recommend this glue. Because it's already activating, so yes, let's see. This is looking good, don't you think? see how much activator it takes to activate this. And I did add water into it, so it is taking a little longer than usual. This is how it looks so far. It's super sticky though, obviously right now, but that's how far I've gotten. But I just realized I need to scent this, so let me get a towel real quick. And we're gonna scent it. So we have these smells. I think we're gonna do banana cream. And oatmeal cookie dough. So we're gonna mix a little oatmeal cookie dough. Come on. Goodness, it's not coming out. It's starting to come out now. Then we'll add some banana cream, just to give it a extra touch. I don't have any like pumpkin scent, but if I did, I would definitely add it, but I don't, so. That smells super good. So I'm just going to keep activating it until it's perfect. How do you guys like your slime? Do you like it hard? Do you like it super stretchy? Do you like it super sticky? How do you like it? So I started kneading it, and this stuff needs a lot of activator, but this is really good glue. It's awesome, and I really recommend it. So over to you. Let's see the bubbles it will make. Oh, this makes the best bubble sounds. Here are the pokes. Let me get all of it out. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some foam beads to it. Maybe let's not do that anymore. Let's use some foam beads. This is so good. now I'm going to add a little bit of light just to make it pop. Okay, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please come like and subscribe and comment down below how you feel about this slime. And this is good glue. Thanks for watching. Bye!